Once again, this is our 7 treatment sessions, 151 jacks, 151 relax, okay? So, they are relaxed about 3 minutes, yeah? Again, 151, why is it? Because we walk and then ni bike siya sa upper extremities. So, jacks again, it is true 2-in-1, yeah? Hand and foot. There you are, no? Again here. So, maybe, my fellow brothers and sisters Filipino, I'm the one who discovered this one, yeah? That's why you understand now that maybe Richard Branson, because I'm very poor, opposite, he is very rich, by which I have also here, yeah, the old document by which mine, yeah. And then Jack about, I'm just helping Jack to educate you. So again, everything is changed. Everything is changed, Jack. That's why here Richard Branson. And then Sir Richard Branson, I know. Then we have the same goals by which maybe lack of prayers, but I promote your Virgin Galactic Space by which my Filipino understand now. Okay, here, Maya. So again, we relax about 2 minutes in which we take the blood pressure. Okay, the most important thing, that's why all in Jack, all in the hospital, yeah, we have the same, but we don't have Arwen ergometer. Jack, can you say it, Arwen ergometer?
We don't have the well, amigo.
Yeah, okay. Again, thank you for Jack for cooperation by which uh, maybe it's up to you, for the viewers sa Filipino. Again, I'm just helping. I'm very sorry for being honest or pure care. Okay, and we check the BP again. So Jack's, so every 5 minutes is the water station by which Jack's country is very, again, that's also the most sophisticated in the whole world, yeah? The America. Again, I know I can accept America's the best, yeah, there. But it's education. My difference is about how you treat the care, yeah? That's right. That's the big difference also. So that's big difference, yeah. By which jobs today, I watched the statistics from Google, yeah? Audience retention by which they surpassed America, the Philippines, yeah? There, because jobs, maybe they understand already. And also, because of you, yeah? So you're from US, not a Filipino. By which I have, how many times the miracles here? And we check again. There you are. Again, it's all about the care. For me, my 9 is not money, but your care, yeah? I know someday I'm gonna be killed because of money. But I'm happy, yeah? Jack, thank you, Jack, for the help, yeah? Again, our winner ergometer on the lower, yeah, today is about 15 minutes. We try, then we walk outside. Far from that, then we do the sprinkling, the gasoline of the muscles. So, here, check again. Everything is just understanding that we don't have to rush because this is hard, yeah? This is hard. Then, again, education, patience, yeah? So, here. And also, Jack, I have searching in your country about the Navy SEALs. That's why I have mind sitting, yeah. Yeah. Again, I called Jack first that I've been there coming and then get ready, then sports attire. There you are, yeah. 147 91 60. 147 91 60. Then she just performed into 15 minutes. We tried 15 minutes. Jack, okay. Okay, Jack. Then another one. There you are. Here, okay. Start now. There. Oops. Okay. So there. Okay, good. Here. Okay. Okay, Jack. Here. Good. Okay. It's okay. It's hard. Yeah. Okay. I got it. Yeah.